Next, before launching our store, we need to take care of a few things. To do that, you need to go to Settings here on the bottom left. Here, you'll see your current store name. If you didn't choose a store name during the sign-up process, then this place will be empty. In that case, you can click on this Edit button and add your store name here. This is important, as this store name will appear on your store header. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see these other options. Here, you need to make sure that the store currency, weight units, and time zones are correct. Next, we need to scroll down to the Policies settings. Here we can add our store policies, such as privacy policy, refund policy, and other policies. Shopify contains some pre-made templates for every policy. You only need to go to these policies and then click on this Insert Template option. Next, you only need to make some changes to these templates based on your needs, and then click on this Publish button. And you need to do it for all these policies. Shopify doesn't have any template for shipping policy, so you need to write it yourself. You can take help of tools like ChatGPT to write your shipping policy. The key information for the shipping policy is your shipping and delivery time, so make sure to insert it within the first few paragraphs. Then we only need to add our contact info here, and we'll be good to go. All right, we've added the policies now. Next, we need to add our domain to the store. So go to the domain settings here. Next, we have two options to connect our domain. You can either buy a domain or connect an existing one to your store. I personally recommend that you buy a domain from Shopify itself, as it will give you some extra benefits, like 2 business emails and other facilities. And if you have already bought a domain from other providers, then you can simply choose the second option and connect it with your store. I've already created a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect an existing domain to Shopify. I'll leave the link down below in the description of this video. Next, we also need to set up our payment gateway and checkout process. I've also created detailed videos on these topics, as these are some technical stuff. I'll leave the video link down below in the video description. Now, before launching your store, you need to select a plan for your store. So, go to the Plans option to choose your plan. Here you'll see different Shopify plans to choose from. For beginners, I recommend the Basic plan, so click on Choose Basic. Here you need to enter your payment details and click on this Subscribe button. You can also save over $100 if you decide to go with the yearly plan. And with this step, your store will be ready to launch. Next, go to the Online Store option on the left and then go to Preferences. Here, when you scroll down, you'll see that your store is password protected. Once you choose a plan for your store, you'll be able to remove this store password. And as soon as you do that, your store will be ready to take orders and sell online.